The general formula used to solve quotient rule questions is if y is a fraction, that's u over v, then dy dx will be equal to v du dx minus u dv dx, all divided by v squared. Another way you can rewrite this is dy dx equal v du dx is the differential of this minus u all on v squared. Now let's take a question. Let's say, for example, if we have y to be equal to x plus 1 all over 3 minus x, and we've been asked to differentiate this, we can take u to be equal to x plus 1 and then v to be equal to 3 minus x. If u equal x plus 1, then it means du dx is going to give us 1. V equal 3 minus x. So dv dx will be equal to negative 1. Now we can just fix it into the formula. V, and v here was 3 minus x. Du dx was 1, so you can just write it here. Then minus u, and what did we get for u? U is x plus 1, then dv dx, and dv dx was negative 1, all divided by v squared. I'm writing v squared. The v given was 3 minus x, so divided by 3 minus x squared. Now the final answer is going to be 3 minus x. This negative 1 can multiply with this negative 1 to give us a positive answer. We have x plus 1 all on 3 minus x squared. This okay, so negative x can cancel out with positive x, so we are going to have 3 plus 1, that's going to give 4 over 3 minus x all squared, and that's the answer for dy dx. Another question we can solve is, let's take this one, is if y is equal to sine x all over 1 plus cos x, and then you've been asked to find dy dx. How do you solve that? So we use the same understanding, but then over here we need to grow our differentiation skills to the point where we wouldn't necessarily be differentiating like this before we fixing. So from here, from the formula, it is v, and this is the v, the denominator. Du dx means that you differentiate the numerator, so differential of sine x gives cos x, minus u, which is sine x, and then differential of the denominator. So we differentiate 1, you get 0, you differentiate cos x, you get negative sine x, all over v squared, which will be 1 plus cos x squared. So we are going to have, we can multiply through by cos x, so we have cos x plus cos squared x plus sine squared x, all divided by 1 plus cos x squared. Now from trigonometry, cos squared x plus sine squared x is equal to 1. So what that means is that we can rewrite this as 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x all squared, and this can cancel out with the denominator. So the final answer for dy dx is going to be equal to 1 divided by 1 plus cos x, and that's how we use the quotient rule. Thank you.